In this tutorial, I'll be talking about how you can make drawings out of your part files. So as it happens, I have a part file open in front of me, and now we're going to convert it into a drawing. So you're gonna go to File, New, Drawing. Okay, and when you hit OK, so the first thing you need to know is that the default model is already there, but you can browse to a different model if you like. So you can go to any one that you like. So in our case, I'll just stick with our the one we have here. Now you have a couple of templates to choose from the kind of drawing you want, but we will go with empty with format so we can define our own. And so the formats are not appearing in the list, so you have to browse for them. So and you can see in the preview what kind of formats we get. So you can choose any one of them depending on what is required of you, but I personally like this one. All right, so a new window will appear where you will have a drawing, sort of a page, a sheet. All right, and now here what we're going to do is we're going to place our part. So you want to go to general view, and you're going to select no combined state and click anywhere on the drawing where you want to place it. So if I place it here, let's say, you can see that my drawing has been placed. And now, but it looks pretty small, so I want to increase its scale to, let's say, twice of what it is right now, or approximately twice of what it is right now. If you hit apply, you can see the change happen. All right, and hit OK. Now you can move this, but before you do that, you have to unselect lock view movement. Once you do that, now you can select and place your general view anywhere you like. And so we don't want to see any of these. Yeah, this is fine. And you can see that it's here, and it also mentions what scale it is. All right, so you can also move this around if you want, or you can just delete it if you like. All right, so once we're done with that, you can move on. All right, now what we want to do is we want to see the different views that we have, and so and also want to add their dimensions. So again, we're going to go to general view, hit OK, click where we want to place it, and this time we're going to select a different view display. So we're going to select firstly no hidden, and we're going to select phantom, and we're going to select the front view. Now if I apply these changes, you can see that there's the front view, but it's bare bones. And also, in fact, I also want to see some hidden things that are inside. So you can see the thickness of the walls. You can see that it's a shell, right? So it's a shell that has some thickness. All right, and if I hit OK, I can see that it's here. This was my front view. Normally in these kinds of drawings, think of it like this cuboid, right? So I have a front view, on top of that I have a top view, on this side I have a right view, on that side that's hidden I have a left view, and in the bottom I have a bottom view. The layout of this drawing should be such that I see the same exact things in the right orientations. So now I'm going to select this drawing, and I'm going to project these views in their appropriate locations. So if I want to project the top view, I'll put it on the top. So now I have a top view, right? Similarly, if I want to project the right view, I can project it. Notice that even if my cursor is here, the right view stays in line with my drawing. All right, same case for the top view, right? So if I place it here, now I also want the bottom view. So these views depend on what you want, what is required of you. So in some cases you might not even require the bottom view, in some cases you might not even need any of these other views. So now I double click on, so I selected all of them, and then I double clicked on one of them. Or if I hit enter, does that work? No. If I right click, Does that work now? I want to edit their properties collectively. So cancel. Yeah. Okay. So now all three of them are selected, and I can change their properties um, as they are. We go to no hidden, and I also want to select phantom. Okay. Now when I hit OK, you can see that it changed it to the view that I have here.